Making SSKI with the Morgellons Direct Potassium Iodide Solutions Mixing Kit couldn't be easier than with our measured kit. Create any desired strength with the included mixing chart and measuring scoop using the same amount of distilled water for any strength solution. Apply the label to the bottle. To make a saturated solution, or SSKI, use the full packet of potassium iodide and 1 full syringe of distilled water. Use 2 small bowls to prepare the solution. Put a few ounces of distilled water in one of the bowls. Heating the water above room temperature can help to dissolve the potassium iodide. Empty the entire contents of the measured potassium iodide packet into the second bowl. Fill the syringe to the top mark on it from the bowl of distilled water. Gently empty the syringe into the bowl containing the potassium iodide. Just 1 syringe full. The syringe works just fine for mixing the solution to dissolve the potassium iodide in the distilled water. Draw the solution into the syringe and deposit it into the brown bottle. It's not unusual to have a bit of undissolved potassium iodide left in the bowl. The handle end of the scoop works well to pick up the undissolved potassium iodide and drop it into the bottle to dissolve into the mix. Or if you have a bit extra potassium iodide in the bowl, it's also fine to add a bit of water to dissolve it and add it to the bottle. Save your mixing tools to use again with the 4-pack refill kit. Thank you for choosing Morgellons Direct for your potassium iodide solutions.